Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Patriot tail light. This is a straightforward task you can do yourself with just a few basic tools. First, you'll need a flathead screwdriver or a plastic trim removal tool to safely detach the fasteners. Also, make sure you have the correct replacement bulb on hand, like a 3157 for brake/turn signals or a 921 for reverse lights. Working in a well-lit space will make the process much easier and safer. Now let's get started by opening your Jeep Patriot's rear liftgate. You'll see two plastic retaining pins or screws along the inner edge of the tail light assembly. Use your flathead screwdriver or trim tool to carefully pry out the center of these pins, then remove the entire fastener. Once those are out, gently pull the tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. It's held by two alignment pins, so a firm, straight pull works best. With the tail light assembly now free, turn it over to reveal the bulb sockets on the back. Identify the bulb you need to replace. The larger one is typically for brake and turn signals, while the smaller one is for reverse. Rotate the socket 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock it, then pull the old bulb straight out. Insert your new bulb firmly into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. To finish up, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light housing and twist it 1/4 turn clockwise until it locks securely. Next, carefully align the two metal pins on the back of the tail light assembly with their corresponding holes on the vehicle's body. Push the assembly firmly into place. Finally, reinsert the two plastic retaining pins, pushing the center part in to lock them. Don't forget to test your brake lights, turn signals, and reverse lights to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.